Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Kaseng ginong shnaplim haga jylla po kashatri jong ka Meghalaya Filmmakers Association MeFilMA ringkat ka junya trailang bar ka Meghalaya Tourism kalapan menabiang ban pelong ya ka International Meghalaya Film Festival ha ubnai leber arhajar arflai ha susutham auditorium. Ban pentelun ya ka program ka MeFilMA kala weru ya ki riudan sap jong ka jylla ban wanshim benta ha ka te ka tamasa film namar ka de kalat ka mai jakpo bar ka sap ka phong Pinsngo President ka MeFilMA uba Commander Shangpliang ha bakran shikilat pathai khubor ha ka jimpli ya ka shop bar ka website jong ka MeFilMA. Katay ka program kidi bankit ya ka jingmut katkum ka program kata kalong Meghalaya Tourism, Meghalaya Age but Arts and Culture ha ka bayaday bat ka video ru kadi banya habdur kumju bat ka bajrong tang South Second. Ulaong bagani kadi ka scene ka baningkong ha ka ba on pin ipait ba ya ki film khasi ha ka ka festival but on pin iru ya ki wegi jait film na bari. Ukong san na ka jingpli website bat logo ulong umani sing.
Kumba PTP ketika festival kejumi hajishan milapu bahkan long hauk naik Desember kenai huk lajong Desember dan dari nak tahu jom tu kejingjia pukro kerana kejingjia siap siap jadi parado operasnam de warga government ro kelakan selut ia kini ki festival kejongka dan nak lem jungi rukum kaseng nisngo bangini bandon ke jingsngo sngolan namenta ka jai beriu nak namenta ki parari nak namenta ki parado operasnam tingim sudon kata kebersim padong ba tongin yele kemen wat lak hoy ke film kamnadi ke kata masa begini syak erwai begini syong pohol ya payful dari wala kataru ngim sngo syong nongrim ba mangi leseng ya pay ki film ini kemen kapa katu kejingjia asosi kadon jadi nak takadau ilahapan postpone yang ke festival bat ngakwa ban pentip matarasni kamtam lengpajun lengba jong media bagan ke festival ke jomi mentang yang labu ban penlong haka katsau hanu ka kapratarik jom ubnai leber kata ha ubnai banwan bat kumbala patai do ba keni mene ki flip kinon kumba nyau pau tuli ki film ki bangi ngin sapu i hagati ka festival ka jaga ka bangin penlong kandai hani hapo state central library de kinon ki film na syabar kinon ki film na kiwipat kiri kumbala patai da ba keni nang ta na kadika dong ka time not is ka jomi pat kumjuru ki film kasi
and this international film festival that is very it's a result of very hard work by the members of Meghalaya Film Association. I myself am the proof of it, because I have been seeing all of you running around to make this thing happen, and to make it happen again is really very commendable. So from the audience, I think we should give one applause for that wonderful efforts by MeFilMA for this the Meghalaya International first film festival. Since I was also in the jury, I could know that there are many beautiful films, in the line, in the pipeline, which Makeni was saying, and every film is worthwhile seeing, every film is worthwhile learning. So I believe Meghalaya film industry is now in a transition period. So that's why everyone has to give more, attention, more hard work in their own field, because filmmaking itself is a big thing. About the director, about the producer, about the story, about the script writing, then screenplay, then sound, audition, or this sound, then editing, all kind of thing, and actors, actresses. So I think that now it is very important to take film seriously, because when you are doing a film by anybody, the local film, you are trying to somehow promote the local culture.